I am running in the park.
I am running in the park.
I am running in the park.
This means that I am moving quickly on foot in the park for exercise or leisure.
They are jumping on the trampoline.
They are jumping on the trampoline.
They're jumping on the trampoline.
It indicates that they are bouncing up and down on a trampoline for fun.
I am swimming in the pool.
I am swimming in the pool.
I am swimming in the pool.
This suggests that I am moving through water using my arms and legs.
They are walking to the store.
They are walking to the store.
They are walking to the store.
This means they are going on foot to the store to shop or run errands.
I am writing a letter.
I am writing a letter.
I am writing a letter.
It shows that I am composing a message using pen and paper or a keyboard.
I am speaking with my friend.
I am speaking with my friend.
I am speaking with my friend.
This suggests that I am engaging in verbal communication with a friend.
They are singing a song.
They are singing a song.
They are singing a song.
It means that they are vocalizing music, typically with lyrics.
I am dancing at the party.
I am dancing at the party.
I am dancing at the party.
This shows that I am moving rhythmically to music at a social event.
They are playing basketball.
They are playing basketball.
They are playing basketball.
It indicates that they are participating in a game of basketball involving shooting hoops and teamwork.
I am driving to work.
I am driving to work.
I am driving to work.
This means that I am operating a vehicle while heading to my workplace.
They are reading a book.
They are reading a book.
They are reading a book.
This indicates that they are looking at and understanding written material for leisure or learning.
They are flying to New York.
They are flying to New York.
They are flying to New York.
It suggests that they are traveling by airplane to New York.
I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
This indicates that I am preparing food for a meal.
They are eating lunch at the cafe.
They are eating lunch at the cafe.
They are eating lunch at the cafe.
It shows that they are having a midday meal in a casual dining place.
I am sleeping in my bed.
I am sleeping in my bed.
I am sleeping in my bed.
This means that I am resting my body in a horizontal position to restore energy.
They are watching a movie.
They are watching a movie.
They are watching a movie.
It suggests that they are observing a film on a screen for entertainment.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
This shows that I am enjoying sounds from an audio source through headphones or speakers.
They are talking about their plans.
They are talking about their plans.
They are talking about their plans.
This shows that I am enjoying sounds from an audio source through headphones or speakers.
They are talking about their plans.
They are talking about their plans.
They are talking about their plans.
It indicates that they are discussing their future intentions or activities.
I am shouting at the game. 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 I am shou
I am shouting at the game.
I am shouting at the game.
This means that I am raising my voice, likely in excitement or frustration, while watching a game.
They are whispering secrets.
They are whispering secrets.
They are whispering secrets.
It shows that they are speaking very quietly to keep their conversation private.
I am climbing the mountain.
I am climbing the mountain.
I am climbing the mountain.
This suggests that I am ascending a mountain, possibly for adventure or exercise.
They are building a sandcastle.
They are building a sandcastle.
They are building a sandcastle.
It means that they are constructing a small fort or structure from sand at the beach.
I am creating a piece of art.
I am creating a piece of art.
I am creating a piece of art.
This indicates that I am making a visual representation, like a painting or sculpture.
They are throwing a ball.
They are throwing a ball.
They are throwing a ball.
It shows that they are propelling a ball through the air by releasing it from their hand.
I am catching the bus.
I am catching the bus.
I am catching the bus.
This means that I am getting onto a bus to travel somewhere.
They are kicking the soccer ball.
They are kicking the soccer ball.
They are kicking the soccer ball.
It indicates that they are striking a soccer ball with their foot to move it forward.
I am holding a pen.
I am holding a pen.
I am holding a pen.
This suggests that I am gripping a writing instrument to use it.
I am pushing the door open.
I am pushing the door open.
I am pushing the door open.
This indicates that I am exerting force on the door to move it outward.
They are pulling the rope.
They are pulling the rope.
They are pulling the rope.
It shows that they are using force to move a rope towards themselves.
I am carrying a heavy box.
I am carrying a heavy box.
I am carrying a heavy box.
This means that I am transporting a box by holding it with my hands or body.